This is JERANDO. It is a modern 6000 acrylic LED light, a 2-pack. Do check online for the makes and models they offer. As we open up the package and show you that you get an instruction guide that you can follow, and how nicely they are packaged inside and protected with plastic and foam. These are your scounces. They're in black. They simply hook up to a junction box that's made of aluminum and metal with a design and a 2 acrylic LED light that goes around and the bracket inside with the black screws. A wall switch is needed. We will hang one up over here and one on a tile wall and demonstrate if dim. The lights are nice size. We'll take a measurement. The acrylic is 9 inches about by 4 inches, and the full total length of the unit is 10 inches by 5 inches, and the depth of the unit is 3 inches. We get a hanging bracket with the ground lead, and we'll simply place it right up on the wall, like so, and lock down and level. We have the hardware, 2 bolts, screws, lock washers, anchors, and wire nuts. Our test unit came loose. These are normally glued down. We have the load and neutral, simply hooking up to the leads and lighting up. In our demonstration, we're going to hit the on switch to show you that the unit lights up to 6,000 Kelvin. And what we're going to go do now is demonstrate on the tile wall, hanging the unit up. Light switches are needed for the product, and we can simply take off each of the cosmetic screws that hold on to the bracket on each of the side. These could be placed by the bathroom, in the living room, in the hallway, in the closet area, and more. They're very decorative. They're great for studios and more. As we take out all the products here, the parts and material, we place in our bolts that are supplied, and we line up to the hole in the light box, and we adjust and we level to the 2 screws here to make them level. Do not over tighten, as the bars will bend and be difficult to put on the fixture. Please carefully install and lock down. Use the wire nuts. We have the load and neutral. Carefully place on, lock down, and place in. Place on your cover and hide the leads. On each of the sides, place in your screws and screw down. Secure down with the screwdriver and lock into place. As we turn on the light, the acrylic light, 6,000 Kelvin, we'll give a nice close-up look at the light and what it looks like around the tile wall. For bathrooms, hallways, living rooms, foyers, by the front door, giving illumination to existing light and more. By the kitchen, by the kids' room, by the master room, wherever you want to put light. As we tested out the light for a remote control and a dimmer, the light will not work. It'll stay on at full. This is the illuminations only through the light that will give off enough light to light up the area, a nice low scene. Putting 2 lights, putting more than 2 lights is an option for you. This is what the light looks like on the wall. I hope you enjoy your acrylic light, and thank you very much for viewing. Enjoy your product if this is your lighting needs for your household. Thank you for your time.